Keith Taylor with Bekaert. I'm here to address a very common question that we get on our Ask the Fence Pro page and on our Facebook page, and that's how do I strip the knots off of a no-climb product? So the first thing you're going to need is a really good pair of safety glasses. It's really important to protect your eyes when you're doing this. A good pair of gloves and a really good pair of cutters. And all you do is simply come in, clip the knot right where it crosses the line wire and the stay wire. Catch that little piece, discard it, move down, clip the knot right at the cross, discard those wires, then you just keep going all the way back until you get the length that you need. Remember, when it comes time to purchase your products, remember Bekaert, made in Van Buren, Arkansas.